This is your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Bye Bye Baby by Taylor Swift. We're gonna just restart the song so that we start from the verse, and I'm gonna show you how to play this for the beginner player where we're using cap on fret number 5, and I'll also show you how to play it for an advanced player where we're gonna be using the key of F, right? Right. So just stay tuned for that, and let's get right into it. So we had, this is the intro slash verse, right? I'm driving away in the night. Okay, so we have F to G and then C to A minor. That's your intro slash verse. Okay, so F is 1 3 3 2 1 1, and then G, which is 3 2 open 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 3. Okay, so we have A minor, which is open open 2 2 1 open, right? And then C is open 3 2 open 1 open. So we have F to, so we have F. Okay, so let's just do the whole verse because the chords keep changing. So we have, hold on a second. Okay, so the intro and the verse are the same. We have F, G, A minor, F, G, C. All right. F, G to A minor, and then F, G, C. And my strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. But I can't. Okay, so that I still love you, but I can't, instead of if, right? A minor, it's just gonna be if, G, but I can't. You stay on G and then you get it to bye bye to everything I thought was on my side. Alright? Everything I thought was on my side. Bye bye, baby. So the chorus is basically C. Okay, it also has a change at the end, so let's just do the whole thing. I can't. Let's get into the chorus. So C, bye bye, G, A minor, and then F. C, G, A minor, F, right? And then the third time is C, G, A minor, F, and then D minor, and then G. Hold on. That, but you took me home. It serves sympathy, but you took me home. D minor to F. Bye bye, baby. And then you go back to that C, G, A minor, F. What? Okay, so the first bye bye, baby is C, G, A minor, F, and then the second one is F to G, and then C. Alright, so take note. Bye bye, baby. Bye bye, baby. Right, and then you get into the second verse. Is that it? And then we're back to F, G, C to A minor. So if you're an intermediate player, you want to pluck these strings. 6 4 3 2. Sorry, 6 5 4 3 for F. For C, it's 5 4 3 2. For G, it's 6 4 3 2, and then for A minor 5 4 3 2. So we have F, G, A minor, F, G, and then C. Alright, and then bye bye to everything I thought was on my side. So that's C, G, A minor, and then F for the second time, and then the third time A minor, F, and then you go to D minor to F, and then C, G, A minor, and then F, and then we get into F, G, and then F again. There's so much that I can to G, F again, C, and then D minor to F. We're back in the chorus. Alright, so that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.